Converting from gas to electric water heaters is becoming increasingly popular. Government regulations and efficiency improvements are driving this trend. But is it right for your home? The efficiency difference is significant. Electric water heaters convert 90 to 95% of energy into heat, while gas models typically achieve only 60 to 70% efficiency. Cost is a major consideration. Installation typically ranges from $100 to $3,500. However, by 2030, gas systems are expected to become the most expensive option. Government regulations are accelerating this shift. New efficiency standards taking effect in 2029 will favor heat pump water heaters, and many regions offer financial incentives for switching to electric. Heat pump water heaters represent the most efficient electric option. They can operate on 1/3 to 1/4 the energy of conventional electric heaters, making them extremely cost-effective. Environmental impact is another key factor. Electric water heaters produce no direct emissions, and when paired with renewable energy sources, they significantly reduce your carbon footprint. Before converting, assess your home's electrical capacity. You'll need adequate wiring and potentially an electrical panel upgrade. Remember, direct conversion isn't possible. You'll need to replace the entire unit. Converting to electric makes sense if you have adequate electrical capacity, want improved efficiency, and can take advantage of available incentives. Consider your long-term costs, environmental goals, and local regulations when making this decision. The first critical step is assessing your electrical system to ensure it can handle an electric water heater's power requirements. Your wiring must be at least 10 gauge and connected to a double 30-amp breaker. Here's what the proper electrical setup looks like. Step 2 involves safely disconnecting your existing gas water heater. This requires turning off utilities and properly capping connections. Professional installation is essential for safety. Gas lines must be properly capped and sealed to prevent leaks. Step 3 is installing your new electric water heater. Proper positioning and connections are crucial for safe operation. Use Teflon tape on all threaded connections to prevent water leaks. This creates a watertight seal. Finally, implement essential safety measures to ensure your conversion is safe and meets all standards. Use gas leak detection spray to check all capped connections, and ensure your electric water heater displays the official safety mark. Following these steps ensures a safe and efficient transition from gas to electric water heating. Always prioritize professional installation for electrical and plumbing work.